Hi, my name's Collum. I'm the Capstone Coordinator in the Interior Architecture Department. I oversee all the design studios. My personal background is I'm a licensed architect in California. I had my own design firm in San Francisco for 30 years, and I did commercial projects all over the world. About 6 years ago, I felt like I needed to give back to the next generation of designers. So I thought I had all this valuable experience that I can bring to the students to help them succeed. Because I had a great career, now I want them to have the same. This first project here was a challenge presented to us by the university's president, Elisa Stevens, and she wanted our students to reimagine the university's library. And so she felt it was time to have a refresh. And that became the takeoff point from which they created this amazing space. The number one request from the students was a cafe. So this project is actually going to happen. How many student portfolios actually have a project that's going to get built? They get to go through the process of what it's like in a real design studio. Online and on-site students did work together because we had this as an on-site plus class. An on-site plus class is we have actually students here in the studio here in San Francisco at 601 Brannan, and then we have students joining on Zoom, and they're collaborating, working together as if there was no barrier. These two boards here represent a student competition. It was an internationally based competition out of Paris, France for the Accor brands, and they challenged the students to come up with the next concept for an incredible luxury hotel. They could pick their location wherever they wanted in the world and then design a concept around that. So we had one team that designed a hotel in Iceland, just outside of Reykjavik, the capital city. And their inspiration was the diamond in the rough. So it's essentially celebrating also the Jubilee year of the Accor brand. And they presented floor plans, process elevations, sketches, materiality. And they were so impressed with our student work, they're inviting us again next year. Get any kind of portfolio of work, anything that connects it to more of a real world experience where you're not just doing work as you would in a typical class, fulfilling assignments. You're actually meeting with the people who are actually telling you what they need, what they desire. I can't say there's any better way to learn.